Hey guys, welcome to Podiatry Practice Mastery. Don here. Want to tell a little bit about what we're doing here in the office lately. Well, first of all, the hardest thing I think for all of us right now in the pandemic is finding good staff. So across the board, we increased everyone's wage, I think by about $2 or a certain percentage or something like that, because we just want to keep the staff because we're having a lot of staff turnover. I'm sure right now everyone is probably dealing with that as people just don't want to work. Or don't want jobs, they just want to get paid without doing anything. So we did have to do that. That's what we're doing in terms of our staff. In terms of keeping our patients going and getting them to kind of come back in, we're offering a few things through our office. And I've probably mentioned this before if you've been around, but if not, I'll explain. One is we're doing a webinar. And I've set these webinars up every 2 months on I think it's the first or second Tuesday. Basically, it's just a reminder in my calendar, and I set one up every couple of months because every month was way too much for us, and so we started to do it every 2 months. And we've done a couple of different topics like neuromas, and we've done Achilles tendonitis, and we've done other things like that. And so this one we're going to do on plantar fasciitis. So certainly if you want to watch what we're doing, you certainly can. If not, I'll be including like a replay and you can kind of listen. But basically what we do is we divide the topic up amongst the 4 doctors and we all kind of talk about a portion. We put it in a webinar and then we give it to our patients and put it on our website for reference. It's a fun way. This should be a pretty hot topic. So that's one thing that we're doing. And it's really, we use Calendly to set it up. It's pretty easy to do. We send out a blast to our patients and it provides good value. The other thing that we're doing is a second Chi workshop. I think we've talked about this before. So Chi walking and Chi running, we have a patient that teaches that, and it's just kind of a good collaboration for us, and it offers good value to our patients of doing this Chi workshop. And so we are offering it to our patients. We just advertise it for this guy, and I think he charges, I don't know, $100 or $150 for it. But it's a good opportunity because a lot of our patients are good clients for that, for doing a Chi running or Chi walking. So I guess you could think about in your office, what are some things that you can offer of value to your patients? Sometimes it might be a fun run. If you like to do more athletics, it could be something else, a different type of a lecture. Getting people kind of active, it gives you something to talk to them about. It gives them some content for how you're going to blast it out to them. So with both of these, what we're going to do as well, we can set things up via we use Hootsuite. So basically we can set up a number of posts with Hootsuite, and then it'll kind of go out telling about the webinar and telling about these workshops that we're doing on Chi running. Anyway, those are kind of what we're doing, just kind of sharing the process along, and I'll let you guys know how things are going as we progress with this in the office. Okay, have a great one.